Hey guys, as you can see, the Play Integrity check has passed successfully, which means we're all set for apps like Google Pay, Netflix, and even banking apps. Welcome back to Tech.net, your go-to source for everything tech. If you want to make sure your phone is fully certified for all apps, stick around. This is going to be super simple. First up, let's install KernelSU. Let's just give permission to install an application. Simply open the app and go to the Install Module section. Select the Play Integrity zip file. Don't worry, the link to this file is in the description below. KernelSU will flash the file in one click. Once that's done, all we need to do is restart the device. After rebooting, your device will now have Play Integrity passed. This is a Project Matrix ROM installed in my device. If you want a full review of the ROM, I have created a video, do check that out. As we have flashed the file using KernelSU, the initial reboot might take some time. So after installing the zip file means you can use all the apps that require this, like Google Pay, Netflix, and multiple banking apps. Just check in KernelSU the module is installed or not. Now let's run the check by SafetyNet app. Let me just click to check Play Integrity to test. And you can see the application also shows that the device is Play Integrity Pass. If you face an error in the Play Store or it shows the device is not certified, just head to App Info, clear the Play Store data, and it will be fixed instantly. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've passed Play Integrity and your phone is now fully certified. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Also, join our Telegram group for extra support. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.